Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the easy method to log into your Rev Transcription account step by step. Follow these simple instructions to access your account effortlessly. 1. Open your web browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. 2. Visit the Rev website. Type in the URL www.rev.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Rev homepage. 3. Navigate to the login page. On the top right corner of the homepage, you will see the login button. Click on it to go to the login page. 4. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you will find two fields. Enter your registered email address in the first field and your password in the second field. 5. Click on Login. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. This will initiate the login process. 6. Access your dashboard. If your email and password are correct, you will be taken to your Rev dashboard, where you can manage your transcription projects. 7. Forgot password? If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email linked to your account. 8. Stay logged in. For future convenience, you can check the Remember Me box before logging in, which will keep you signed in on the device you are using. Remember to log out after you're done, especially if you're using a shared device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.